guys my laundry routine. So we are currently on lockdown, and these days I get so busy trying to homeschool 3 kids, and I don't get to do any sort of laundry during the week. So today is Saturday and I started my laundry, but I felt like I should just share with you guys how I get on with it. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I sort them. Usually I section them by colors: dark, light colors and bright colors. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you subscribe to my channel so that you get updates whenever I have a new video up. So the first thing I love to do is to go into all the rooms and bring out all our laundry baskets. Then I start sorting them. Usually I sort them by colors and texture. I sort all the light color, dark colors. My light colors are usually light purple, pink, light blues, any cloth that has a little color to it, but like a bright colors. Then I sort out all our towels. The kids are currently homeschooling, but they have to wear their uniforms because that's what the school required them to do. So all the red clothing that you see here are the kids' school uniform, and I love to wash them separately because the colors wash out a little bit. So I don't like to mix it up with any other cloth that is not red. So like I said, I already did one washing last night, which I will just transfer to the tumble dryer. So I'm going to just show you guys some of the things that I use for my laundry. I use the pink oxy powder for mostly bright colors. I'm not going to add it to this washing yet. And then I use some vinegar. Vinegar is so good when it comes to laundry. Apart from the fact that it makes your washing machine come out so clean, like I barely have to clean my washing machine ever since I started adding vinegar as my clothes softener. So rather than use a clothes softener, I use vinegar, and then I also add some powdered detergent. So I'm going to transfer the washed one into the tumble dryer, but I'm not going to run it yet because this tumble dryer is so big. It's about 9 kg, but the washing machine is about 6 kg. So usually I do 2 washes before I run the tumble dryer. Now I'm going back to the rooms, and I decided to take off all our bed sheets and wash them at once. I'm starting off from my room, and I'm also going to be changing our duvet. So the old house that we moved from had a double bed because it was a furnished house, so it just came with a double bed. So we've been using a double duvet, but ever since we moved into this new house, we got a king size bed, and it's been so awkward using that duvet here. So I got a new duvet and also new bed sets, and I'm going to be switching that up today. So my new duvet set is from Next, and I love it so much. I love the tiny tassels because it kind of gives it like a 3-dimensional look.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
So now I'm heading into Zim's room, and I'm also going to do the same thing. I'm also removing his dog training pads. Yeah, the thing I usually put under his bed sheet is a dog training pad. I normally put it under his bed sheet just to be safe on days that he has accidents. But ever since we moved to this house, he hasn't really bed wet. Like, it's been over a month, and I think he's just fully potty trained.
Paint the skies, only you can make me move. can make me move.
So now that the uniforms are done, I'm going to add in white. Usually when I wash the kids' clothes, I love to go through it to sort out clothes with stain. And for stain removal, I love to use elbow grease. It works so well. For grease, even foundation stain, this elbow grease is so amazing when it comes to stain removal. So I'm going to show you guys the results from these shirts that I just sprayed some of it on. So I'm adding the rest of the clothes to the tumble dryer, and usually my setting is wardrobe because all these clothes will be going straight to the case dresser. I'm back to the rooms and I need to fit in new sheets for the girls, but usually I call Luther to clean up the room. On Saturdays, it is one of her chores to clean up all her rooms. All she has to do is to pick up all the toys. I'll still have to be the one to vacuum. So I'm going to just wait for her to clean it up, and then I come back, vacuum the floor and put in fresh sheets for them. So now I'm adding all the bedspreads, the bed sheets, beddings and all. And the tumble dryer is also done. So I'm going to add in another set, but I'm not running it yet. And then I'll go over and start folding the dried ones. So while I was waiting for the washing machine and the tumble dryer, I am also going to fix up some dinner. And tonight I'm making some broccoli soup for the kids because they've been requesting for this for so long. They love broccoli soup so well, but it's so tedious to do because I have to boil up the stems and then blend it, but the kids enjoy it so much. Usually for my bright colors, I love to add the pink stuff, oxy powder. This is so good for bright colors because it just makes the colors more vibrant. For white, I also use it for white. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, hello, my name is Sombili and I love to make content that help to motivate you and inspire you to tackle your to-do list. I share cleaning videos, meal preps, organization videos, and every super motivating videos for moms, and I would love to build a super positive and uplifting community here on YouTube. If you appreciate this kind of contents, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on my future uploads. So I'm going to start folding all the beddings, the towels, and also the kids' blanket. It's already late in the night, and I have a last set that is going on in the tumble dryer, but I won't be able to fold out tonight. I will have to do that tomorrow, which is Sunday. I'm actually very proud of myself today. I love when all the laundry baskets are empty and all the wash clothes have been folded and put away. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. If it's your first time stopping by here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back for more videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.